guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a collective haul of some really cool, amazing and viral products that I've bought in the name of self-care. Just a disclaimer before we begin, everything was bought with my own hard-earned money. Nothing in this video is sponsored. I recently resigned from my previous job, which was in the cosmetics industry, and before I resigned, using my discount, I bought and stocked up on a lot of products. I understand that a lot of these products are definitely a luxury in which I feel very blessed to be able to afford. By no means am I saying that in order to take care of yourself you need these kind of products, but it is good to also treat yourself every now and then. So everything in this video will be linked down below. Let's get into it. So a lot of the things I bought were refills. Starting off with the Summer Fridays Sheer Skin Tint. This is incredible. I love this product so much. It is very, very lightweight, so it's not going to give you that much coverage. Right now I'm on tretinoin and this is the only thing that can sit on my skin without absolutely flaking up. It's also non-comedogenic and it's fragrance free, and the packaging is also really nice and sleek. I've tried other skin tints and I seem to always go back to this one. But in the name of trying new products, so I also got the KYLIE Cosmetics skin tint, which I've heard so many amazing things about. This one I got in the shade 2.5 and it's a beautiful little bottle. It kind of looks like the Kosas Sun Glow thing or whatever it's called. I'll insert a picture here. Same with that applicator. I'm not going to use it just yet because I'm going to use up my Summer Fridays one first, but this will be waiting for me. Next, I got the Summer Fridays Iced Coffee. You guys know I love the Summer Fridays lip balms, and the only flavor I didn't have is iced coffee. And in the name of treating myself, I got iced coffee. It just smells delicious. It smells like a creamy, sweet coffee, and these never disappoint. Next, from WESTMAN ATELIER, I got the Face Trace Contour Stick in the shade Truffle. I already have this in the shade Biscuit, and I love the formula on this. It is just so creamy, and it melts into the skin so effortlessly. I've tried many other contour sticks and this formula, so I decided to get this in the Truffle shade, which is slightly darker. I'm gonna use up my Biscuit one first, so I'm not gonna use this just yet. Next, from Charlotte Tilbury, I got her Lip Cheat. This is the lip liner in the shade Iconic Nude. A fresh pencil. It is just the most beautiful nude shade that looks exactly like my natural lip color. I've tried many lip liners and the Charlotte Tilbury one seems to have the most longevity. This one is another repurchase. It's the Drunk Elephant D-Bronzi Drops. This product has a whole lot of hype around it. Feel free to check out my video ranking viral TikTok products. This is in there, and this is definitely up there. I've tried several bronzing drops like the Say and the Glow Recipe, but I tend to always gravitate towards this one. And I also love that it's a serum, and particularly an anti-pollution serum, which is really helpful for me because I find my skin tends to break out a lot from external factors, irritants and pollutants and whatnot. So this product is a winner for me. These are a lot of refills, but I got another one of the Charlotte Tilbury Setting Spray. Again, another super viral product, but it deserves the hype. It is fantastic at melting everything down, making everything just stick and stay in place. It's a really good product. Next, we have some sunscreens. These are both by the MECCA Cosmetica brand. I've already tried their brightening serum and this is a refill for me. They've changed their packaging, so now it's a pump, which I think is really great actually. It's probably way more convenient than the dropper. I love this. It's dewy, it's lightweight, and yeah, I have no complaints. It's really good. It's SPF 50 and it also has niacinamide in it. And to try out, I also got the original To Save Face. So many people rave about this. I've never actually tried it. It's a little bit thicker. It's a more traditional cream kind of sunscreen compared to the liquidy formulation of the sun serum. This one is a cream with a demi-matte finish. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. Hopefully it works for me. Next, I also got the Tau 28 Moisturizer. This is a refill. I love it so much. It is so rare to come across a simple, non-comedogenic cream that is not a gel. I have acne and congestion prone skin. My skin is also really, really dry. So gel creams often aren't enough, especially in the winter and in the colder months. This, mwah! So good. I love it. And the price is not too bad. Next, from MECCA Max, I got their Chill Out Brightening Eye Cream. This I have also used before and I needed to get a new one. My old one was very long expired. I love the metal applicator on this thing. It is the best thing in the morning. And this is a really good price as well. I definitely recommend it. Next, from Glossier, I got the 100ml of the Glossier You. This has become my signature scent. I know some people don't like it. I know a lot of my coworkers and friends didn't really like it on them. But on me, this smells incredible. It smells smells sweet, it smells familiar, it smells warm. It's definitely become part of my signature scent lineup. So I decided to get the 100ml. On days when I don't want to wear skin tint, NARS foundation. This is the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation, my favorite. This is the only foundation I wear. And I got this in the shade Gobi. It's a very light, runny consistency, but it's still medium coverage. It almost feels a bit like a skin tint. It's very, very lightweight. And it looks beautiful in the skin. I always get compliments whenever I wear it. Right now though, doesn't seem to be agreeing with my skin because of the tretinoin, but I'm praying that this period of my skin getting used to the tret will soon be over and I can go back to using this because this is incredible. Some body care stuff from NÉCESSAIRE. I got their hand cream. They repackaged it. Packaging is a lot more simple now. I've used this before. I really, really like it. It's also fragrance free. Also from NÉCESSAIRE, I got their deodorant gel. I've been loving NÉCESSAIRE lately. And look how beautiful this is. It is stunning. And it is a gel, so it's like a roller ball. It smells great, but what really drew me towards this was the fact that it has AHA in it. So the alpha hydroxy acids are really gonna help exfoliate the armpit area and it will also help brighten it as well. So I'm super excited to try this out. Next, I also got this Marvis whitening toothpaste. I've seen this toothpaste everywhere, on Pinterest, on TikTok. It is stunning. And when I looked it up and saw that they sell it in Australia, I was shocked because they don't sell anything here. I haven't tried it out yet, but the packaging alone, beautiful. I really also want to try some of their other more unique flavors. Next from Aesop, I got their hand cream. This is the Elios Aromatic Hand Balm. I've seen this on TikTok and on Pinterest and it looks so good, and I've had Aesop hand creams in the past and I did really enjoy them. I go through hand creams like nobody's business. That's because I'm washing my hands all the time. So my hands are ridiculously dry. This smells absolutely divine. Then I also got some minis. I got a mini of the Born This Way concealer. You guys know this is my holy grail, and I got it in my usual shade, Almond. Look how cute this is. This is another product that I've used before and I love. I needed one for every handbag, so I got another one. This is the By Terry Hyaluronic Powder. This is so handy. It doesn't flash back on me. It's clear, so no matter if I'm my summer shade or my winter shade, I can still use it. And it comes with a cute little puff, which is so convenient. Fantastic. Love this. Now for the big guns, all these hair care and body care stuff. I've been really getting into wanting to invest in myself and how I take care of myself, especially hygiene wise. I've had dyed hair for a while and I never really switched to color safe shampoos. And for some reason it kind of dawned on me that, wait a minute, the reason my hair color doesn't last is because I'm not using color safe shampoos. But I don't know which one's good, so I kind of got a few to try out, which I will try out slowly. First we have Olaplex. I've heard so many good things about this, but I've also heard not so good things as well, such as hair loss. But the good reviews seem to outnumber the bad, so I thought I'll try it out. So I got the number 4C Bond Maintenance Clarifying Shampoo. My scalp is ridiculously oily, it's insane. So I definitely do need clarifying shampoos because I tend to use quite a lot of product like dry shampoo in my hair pretty often. To go with that, I got the number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. It's supposed to repair, strengthen, and nourish all hair types. And these are color safe, so excited to see how this goes. Next, I also got some Ouai stuff. This one I've already opened. This one is Ouai's Detox Shampoo. I really like it. It's really nice. Really nice, and it has a nice smell. Yeah, it just smells like apple juice. Like a really nice, a bit perfumey apple juice. Now these ones I haven't tried yet. It is their medium hairline. So this is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. These are also color safe. You guys are gonna think I'm crazy. I know it's a lot, but these are gonna be stored in my cupboard. I'll use them slowly throughout the year. I'm not gonna buy any more for at least the next year. Go hard or go home, you know? So I also got the Kerastase Chroma Absolute shampoo, and this is supposed to be for colored hair. Like this is specifically a color shampoo. I've heard a lot of good things about it, so I'm excited to try this out. I've also heard a lot of really good things about the NÉCESSAIRE shampoo and conditioner, so I thought I'd try that out. These are gonna be the ones that I'm gonna try out first. These are fragrance free, which is a bit interesting to me, but I've heard really good things about this, especially that it's really good for oily hair, which I was like, tick. This has like pretty good stuff in there. Hyaluronic acid, vitamin B3, vitamin B5, and then this is the matching conditioner. Look how beautiful these are. Can't wait to use this. I'm literally gonna use this tomorrow. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, the detox shampoo came in this set, which I believe is limited edition at Sephora at the moment. And it also came with the leave-in conditioner. And I've actually tried the mini of the leave-in conditioner and I really, really liked it. It also smells divine. So, yay! Next from Brigio, I got their Scalp Care Essentials. So this comes with their scalp massager. This is really nice. And the set also comes with their dry shampoo, and this has charcoal and biotin in it. Yeah, I'm excited to use this and try this out. Next, the main reason why I got this set. This is their Scalp Revival Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. I've used this before and it is incredible for oily scalps. It just feels so fresh and clean. But yeah, I really like this. So I'm really glad that I have the full size because before I was using a mini. Final hair thing is this Tangle Teaser. I've seen this everywhere and people keep on saying how good it is. So I specifically got this one because this is supposed to be good for wet hair. Because apparently when your hair is wet, it's a lot more vulnerable, so it's more prone to breakage. So this is supposed to be good for wet hair. It is so pretty. Look how nice this pink is. Self-care wouldn't be complete without a body wash, and I decided to try out the NÉCESSAIRE one. Low-key having a NÉCESSAIRE obsession, guys. This is their eucalyptus scent and it smells really good. It smells like eucalyptus freshness. It is so mature and clean, which I really love. So I got the big version because it's also more worth the money. These bad boys, I'm a NÉCESSAIRE girly now. And for when I'm ready, you guys are gonna think I'm crazy. I got the refill as well, which is in this really nice metal bottle. Okay guys, that is everything. I know it was a lot. I know it seems a little bit crazy. And this is truly, I just wanted to get one and done. Like I wanted to get everything and then I'm done. And I'm done now. As I said, I know it is definitely a luxury to be able to buy a lot of these stuff. And I truly am so grateful that I'm able to give myself that kind of lifestyle. And yeah, I'm super excited to use all these things. Maybe keep an eye out. Maybe I might come out with like a self-care hygiene video or something. I definitely have to use these products more to really see how I like them, how effective they are. But make sure you subscribe to keep an eye out for more upcoming videos. Feel free to check out my Instagram and my TikTok. Both are at Esther Days. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!